Use of shortcuts and tricks help you to speed up your work in CorelDRAW. Here are some very important shortcuts and tricks I will try to demonstrate. We know that in CorelDRAW there are many commands for duplicating the objects. For example, we can duplicate an object. Here is an object, and why I want to make a duplicate of it. The simple way of doing this is to copy this object, select this object, and now Control C, and this object has been copied to clipboard, and now Control V will paste it, and we can move it here, and we can see that we have made a copy of this object. This is the traditional way of making the copy of an object. In other command for this purpose is in CorelDRAW is that we can duplicate this object by pressing Ctrl D. You can see that by pressing Ctrl D we are able to make copies of these objects. So, every time we press Ctrl D, a duplicate of this object in a proportion will be created. So these are the very common methods of creating copies. And other way of creating copy is also here. This is that click on the object and now press the plus key, and here we have created a copy of this object. So these are very simple way of creating the uh, duplicates of an object. But here is a trick, and it is very important to understand, because by the help of this uh, trick we can speed up our job, and we will be able to enhance our work well while we will combine this trick to some other commands. So it is very important, and it is that if we want to create a copy of this object, select this object, now drag this object where you want to create a copy. For example, I want to create a copy of this object here. Now, before releasing the left button of mouse, press the right button of mouse also, and you will see that a plus sign has been appeared. It means that here is a copy going to be made. Now release these both buttons of the mouse at once here, and you can see that we have easily created a copy of this object. For example, I want to create a shape like a moon. Now this command will help me to create it very easily. Now, for example, I want to create a moon like this. I can adjust my shape here, here, here. I want here, for example. Now I will press the next button of mouse also and release these two buttons at once. And now you can see that we have created an object here. Now very easily we can create a shape like this. Select these two objects and now click trim and delete this extra one, and you can see that by the help of these, the combination of these commands, we have created a shape within no time. So this is very important command, and here are some option in this command also, that if we want to create an object straight to the bottom of this object here. So for the constraint movement, we have to press Control key. Now click on the object we want to duplicate. Now drag it, and we can see that by pressing Control key, now the movement of this object is in constraint. Now before releasing the uh, mouse button, press the right button of the mouse also. Now at this point, I have pressed three buttons at once. One is Control on keyboard and two buttons of the mouse. Now I have to release these three buttons at once, and you can see that we have created uh, an object to this uh, parallel to this object. So this is very important command. We can create duplicates of an object everywhere we want to. We can move freely the object somewhere and then create duplicate for this object in no time. This is one part of this command. Now I will show you when we combine this command to some other commands, what difference will it make. So the next shortcut, we will move to the next shortcut, and here is repeat command. Repeat command is also very important, but when we uh, combine it to the that command of duplicating, then it will give us very interesting results. For example, repeat. What is the repeat command? First of all, you will understand this repeat command. Here is an object. I want to move this object here. I want to make a duplicate of this object here. Now I am doing this by the help of this track. Selecting the I have selected the object, press Ctrl key on my keyboard, and now I will press the right button of the mouse also, and now I will release these three buttons at once. Here I have performed a command. Now I want to repeat this command again and again. The shortcut for repeat command is Control R. Every time I will press Control R, this command will be repeated. So you can see that we can uh, create this object in a proportion by the help of the duplicate and repeat command again and again. The another example of combination of these command is that here is a straight line. For example, I want to print some lines on a paper. Here I will make a duplicate of this line. I will use that duplicate function again. Select the object. Now press the Control key and drag your mouse. Now on which point you want to duplicate this object, press the right key of keyboard also. You can see that now the plus sign of has been appeared, and now release the three buttons at once. We have duplicated this line, and now we can repeat this command again and again by the help of Control R. You can see that we have created these lines very easily. Here is another example of this uh, repeat, the combination of repeat and duplicate command. Also, you can see that how easily we can create a shape like a gear. Here is a here are two objects, fill some color in it. Now I want to rotate this object, and you will see that how easily I can do it. For rotating in 15-degree increment, first of all select this object. Now click on it so that rotating handles appear. Now for rotating in 15-degree increment, press Ctrl key. Now rotate this object. Here is 15-degree increment. Now press the right key of your mouse also here, and now release three buttons. One is control, the next one is left button of mouse, and the next one is right button of mouse. Now we have to repeat this command and again by the help of Control R. You can see that we have successfully rotated this object. Now bring uh, the circle to the front, fill some color in it. I think white will be okay. And you can see that we have created this shape very easily by the help of the combination of these two commands. We can build these. So a shape like a gear is created very easily by the help of the combination of these two commands. So it is very important to understand repeat and duplicate command tricks.